Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be making this photo editing of Justin Bieber using Picsart application. Alright, let's get right into this tutorial. So the first thing we're going to do is to open Picsart, and then once we open, we're going to click on the photo we're editing. Then after we've done that, we're going to cut out the background, so we'll click cut out here, and we're just going to cover the part we want. Alright, so once we've done that, we're going to click here. Then we're just going to make sure we cover the other parts that are not covered with red. Alright, so once we've done, we're just going to click on save. Alright, so the next thing is to click on FX effects. Then we're going to take it to color. We'll click colors, and then we're going to click saturation. Alright, then after that, we're going to click on this icon here. Then you take it to magic, and then I'm going to use this effect here. Alright, then I click on these three dots here. Okay, and I take this to 50. Okay, let's take to 50. Then I click the same icon again, and I choose another effect. Alright, then I click on this effect here. Okay, then after that, I'm going to click on it, click on the three dots again. I'm also going to take it to 50. Alright, so once we've done that, we're going to click on this eraser icon here. I'm just going to click clean the face so the effect doesn't show on his face. Alright, then I click OK. Alright, so the next thing, we're going to click on the same icon again. That's use another effect. Then I'll use this one here. Alright, then I click the same three dots and drag this to 90. Alright, then I click OK. I'll also click FX effects again. So what we just need to do here is to take the horizontal to 0. Alright, then we change the color to black. And we're going to reduce the line to 3. Okay, then I'll also clean the line showing on his hair. Right, then I click OK. Alright, so once we're done, I'm going to click OK. Alright, so the next we're going to click on the tools, then we click on curves. Alright, I'm just going to drag this here. Alright, then I click OK. Then we're going to add background to it, so we click fit, and I'm going to use this background. Then after that I'm going to click OK. So yeah, that's it. Then we just click on this save icon here, then it's saved on our phone. Alright, thank you so much for watching. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. If the video was helpful, make sure to give the video a like, and also if you are new here, please make sure to subscribe right now so you can see more videos like this. And thank you so much. If you're interested in watching another video from my channel, click on any of the videos shown on the screen right now. Alright, thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next video.